guys, so we're just gonna hop right into this video. I'm going to be using my ketoconazole shampoo. I covered up like my name and address. This is a prescription shampoo. I've been struggling with my eczema for a few weeks, so it's kind of bothering me. So I'm going to be using my prescribed medicine. Also, I'm going to be using the Head and Shoulders Repair and Protect. It's amazing. And then I'm going to be using the Moroccan Argan Oil Organics Conditioner. I don't want to use something too strong, so that's why I'm using that. And be sure to subscribe to my channel, okay? So I'm just going to be saturating my hair with water. This water is not like lukewarm. It's actually pretty cold. It's more on the cold side. Just because with the eczema going on in my hair, I actually need my hair to be as dry as possible. I know that sounds crazy, but too much moisture on my eczema, my hair is just it just gets pussy, and then it just starts looking nasty. You're going to be seeing me using my ketoconazole shampoo first. I'm only focusing this shampoo on the front of my hair and the back of my hair. I'm only focusing it on the front and the back of my hair is because my eczema tends to only pretty much be in those areas, so I don't want to dry out my entire head. And I'm going to be using the Head and Shoulders. I use a generous amount of product. You can use however much you want. I do realize that some people may think it's a waste, but this is, I mean, you use a dime size. I used to have 50-cent size, okay? So, yeah. I'm going to be rinsing out that Head and Shoulders. This is like one of those products that normally I wouldn't use, but it actually works for my eczema, which is crazy. It's literally like one of my favorite shampoos. Do y'all see those curls? By the way, like, okay. And this is my hair. I'm just getting closer to show you guys what the eczema does. It kind of thins out my sides. So yeah, I don't like it. And I'm just going to be using my conditioner. Honestly, usually I would let this sit on my head, but I'm not going to. I literally just made sure it was all over my hair, and then I immediately rinsed it out. Is the result of my hair. I love my hair. My curl pattern is a little bit different from before all of this stuff has happened. I mean, I still love it. I am natural. No big chop needed because all of my hair fell out because of eczema. So no relaxers, no harsh chemicals. This is my natural hair and my natural curl pattern. And yeah, this is how I maintain my scalp when I have eczema. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. If you suffer with eczema, go ahead, leave me a comment under other products that you are concerned about, that you have, or any questions that you have, and I am here to help. And yeah, that is it. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.